Hello, folks. This is a wonderful day to do some programming. Now, before we begin, let us talk about something that's very interesting. The interesting thing that's used to test your weight. It's called the body mass index calculator. And the body mass index calculator can do many things. It can check your height, it can check your weight, and divide that, and it could give you your body mass index. You can tell either if you're underweight or you're obese. Well, pop along with me. There's a whole lot of them waiting for you in the JavaScript store. So here with me is the code, and this is doctype HTML, then HTML lang equals to English, then this is the head that I can talk about from your head to your head over here. So this is technically from your forehead to your neck. This is counts as your head. So this is the head of the program, which the title is BMI calculator, then the meta name is the viewport, then the content is with initial scale of 0, and then the user scalable is no. So rel equals to style sheets, then text CSS, then style sheets.css, then link href for Google Plus, and then this is open sans. And if you want to know the font, it's open sans. Then it links to the style sheet, and these are all viewed to the style sheet, and that's why it's like that. So the body is definitely from here to here as highlighted. And if you're in WebStorm and JavaScript, it definitely highlights for you. So div class equals to container, then div class equals to panel, then h2 equal class text enter, check your BMI, then check your intro text, then enter your weight and BMI below to check your BMI results. Then you have your form, then you have your weight input. So your weight input is from here to here, like that. So this is technically from 0 to 9, like from 0 to a 9, which is just like this. So the same thing goes for height. And it's centimeters. You can change any unit of them as long as it's changed to kilograms for here, as long as it changes to centimeters for here. And then it calculates your BMI for you. And then at the end of the day, what could it give you? Your BMI results appear here. So it's the division. So it's definitely divided between the boxes. Yes, so the answer boxes are definitely there. It's just divided between them. So your BMI results appear here, so the script is here, sources main.js. And if you're writing script else SRC, just note it's source. So we're moving on from there to style sheet. This is the body of the program, which is only white. Then the button is background color RGBA, as we will discuss. It's called red, green, blue, and alpha. So alpha is like color, except it's a bit bluish and a bit greenish. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Then H2 and the button. So the button is like when you press those little things, beep. Then the next thing you know, it gives you the answer. Then the rest of them are just for your website, nothing else. So input. So this is for the input, and this is for the form. And this is definitely when you're filling it in. And the media and the panel, and that's it. After that, you're done and through with everything. So let us enter the JavaScript store. You're all welcome to see it. So var weight, height, measure, then BMI, then error. So functionally calculate. So you have to calculate it. Then get element by ID. It captures the data of a website, and it's going to transfer that data to the website too. You're going to learn that a whole lot when you get to JavaScript, when you get deeper into the basics. So error, please enter some values. So this is for weight and this is for height. And if it's an error, please enter some values. Then height is divided by 100, then height is multiplied by height, which is height squared. So weight is divided by 703, therefore this gives you your formula. Weight is divided by 703, then height is squared. So BMI do I use to fix it 1, so definitely it's definitely going to be to 1 decimal place. So BMI is less than 80.4. I'm sorry, you're underweight, and it could also be 80.4, so you're underweight. So it's greater than equal to 80.5, less than equal to 24.9. If it's between 18.5 and 24.9, that means you're normal. But if it's between 25 and 29.9, what else could there be? You're overweight, and if it's greater than 30, you're obese, morbidly obese. Then if your weight is 0, if your height is 0, I'm sorry, you'll get an error completely. And that's what will happen. So document or get element by ID. This one is very key when it comes to JavaScript, right where you see it. So measure. So if weight is less than 0, and that's where the zeros and ones get in, so it will give you negative values not allowed. This definitely means if positive values were allowed, fine, but positive values are not allowed, that will definitely give you a negative thing, and which give you an error straight. So anyways, hope you had fun, and let's run the program as it is. Just watch. 2. Wait for the 1. If you have anything waiting to load like this, all you have to do is to just pause it and then run it again. This trick always works. There we go. I told you to work. So put your weight in here. So I'll enter 160, then 10 over here. Then you say your weight is normal. Just watch and learn. See? It means you're normal. Y factor is 9. That means you're overweight. Y factor is 11. Yeah, that means you're still normal. How about 10.5? Still means you're normal from there. What about 100 centimeters? You're overweight severely. Hey guys, hope you have learned something new today in the JavaScript store. That's right, the JavaScript store has a load in store, and if you want to have a whole loads of them, and if you want to buy them, just come over to this channel. It has everything. And if you want to see more of my interesting things I do, then you can come over anytime. All you need to do is to just come to my channel. Simple. And I'll catch you guys next time on my channel. And you'll see me sooner. Farewell and have a good day.